So today we learn about the VBA environment in the Excel, how to write the basic code in the Microsoft Excel. So as we all know that in the Microsoft Excel we can write the code and that can explore the new possibilities in the Microsoft Excel. The code is basically the Visual Basic, and these are very simple as the other codes, other programming languages are. So how to first open the VBA environment in Excel workbook, that is our first task. So it is very simple. We have multiple options. One option is you can press Alt plus F11 if you open the any Excel workbook, and after opening that Excel workbook you can press Alt plus F11, then the Visual Basic environment will be open, that is a Visual Basic editor where you can edit, you can write the code. The second option for opening of a VBA environment is right click on any name sheets, and then you will see there is a view code options, and click on the view code options, then this environment will be open. This is basically the VBA editor environment. You can see, let us take how to open it. So for opening it you can just see here how to open. This is Microsoft Excel. We can use Alt F11. Now see here, I have already write down some modules. Today we learn how to write a VBA code in the Microsoft Excel. So for that thing, first we have to open the VBA environment in the Excel workbook. So for opening up the VBA environment in the Excel workbook, we have multiple options. One option may be, that is a simple option, you can press Alt plus F11 in the Microsoft Excel workbook. So what happened, then the VBA environment will be open, this environment will be open. Other options may be, if you right click on the sheet name, and you will see there is a view code options. If you click the view code options, again the Excel basically editor environment, VBA editor will be open, where you can write the code and you can do a lot of the activities using the VBA code. So let us take some demo for opening of the Excel workbook. So first open the Excel workbook. This is the Excel workbook. What I can do, I can click either F11, Alt F11. Now this window is open, close it. Either you can use sheet, right click, and you'll see there is a view code. Click here, the same will be open. So this is our first step, how to open the workbook. Now come to the slide. After that there is a other options, that is the insert and run the VBA code. Now this is the interesting part, how to insert the code, first one. So for the inserting of the code, what we can do, we have to first write the code. And how we can do it? For writing the code, you have to right click on your workbook name that is available in the pane, that is at the top left corner of the editor window. This is you can look in your VBA editor, that looks like this one. So this is basically the options available. For example, in our case, book 1 is the name of my workbook, and then right click and then insert module from the context menu. If you insert, then there will be one window will be open where you can write the code. So let us insert the module. And how we can do it? This is our Excel, and first Alt F11, and then you can right click on the workbook, insert options, and this is a module. Now we can write the code, because this module name is module 1. This is open now, and how to write the code, let us look in the Excel. So we can write the code, but for writing the code we should first know about their format. That is a very important thing. So writing the code, the format is, the first thing is write the sub, that is a sub. Then you have to write the name of the code that you would like. So that name of the code without space, that is the important thing. Then after that you have to make 2 brackets, and at the last you will see end sub, that is basically end of that subroutine, that is a code. And you can write any code that should be appear here. So you have to repeat all these things. This is an example sub first code. I have given this example. I am going to write all these things. So let us come to again in the Excel environment. So sub sub space, that is a must one. You have to write the name. For example, I have to write FIRST first, because first code, but we need to maintain the space. We need to basically cancel the space, so we can write without, it should be without space. You can write first underscore code, and then that is bracket close and bracket open and close. This is basically the basic format. If you enter here, what happen, automatically in sub will be appeared here. So we have to write the code between the sub and in sub. Let us take the example of code. In the code example, this is written range A1 A6 is equal to BTech. Let's see what happened. range, then bracket. You see that there is some help in this one, but I am not going to detail about. Then colon, then A1 colon A6 and inverted comma, and then close it, is equal to, then inverted comma, double quotes, and BTech. You have to put the BTech in double quotes. This is all about my code. I have completed my code as per the given example, and then the next step is how to run the code. For running the code, either I have to click on the run button or click on F5. So now take the example how to. So this is a run options. Here you see that in the run options you can click this one, or even you can click this run subroutine options, or you can click F5, whatever you like it. And if I click this run button, click here, now this code has been completed, executed, and close it. I am going to see the effect in our sheets. If you see that from A1 to A6, this is written here. Again, go to the code, Alt F11. I can write not A6, I can write it is B100, and then run it, and see here the whole basically executed in a one click. If I now you can do a lot of the Z100 and then F5, and then change the tab, and you see that this BTech. So this is basically the beauty of the code. You can write a lot of things. Thank you very much.